lunker hunt. Swim bait on a little bitty 1/8 ounce shaky head, but I'm using it more like a swim bait. I just got a bite. Basically what I've done is I found transition points here. I got a bunch of low slope areas coming into some really deep water. A couple little feeder creeks. A lot of riprap. Just trying to find a pattern that's working. Alright, so still kind of fishing the same area, just trying some different baits. Swapped over to a wobble head, pretty heavy one, probably about a good close to 1/2 ounce. And then I'm using a crawl, Alabama crawl color. On the bottom, I spotted some fish on the dip finder, but it's not to say that they were bass. I'm just crawling it along. Now I'm about 15 foot of water, but I'm sitting next to like 20 something feet. There's lots of riprap down there because I'm getting hung up on it a little bit. Alright guys, I just got a huge bite off this point. Hoping maybe he'll bite again. Oh, I think he's on there. I got him. I got it. Yes. Oh. Man, I hope there's a ton of them down there like that. That gum is a good hit. Oh, bite, baby. Bite. Whoo! It's a toad. Look at that. It's a toad. Oh. Man, I've been fishing all day. I've been waiting on that fish all day. Man, that's awesome. Thank you, buddy. Yes. I've been here since 10 o'clock. It's like 2 o'clock right now. I've tried everything I can think of, and I finally got a bite, set the hook, got a fish. Yes.